A husband who shares the kitchen never has to beg for a meal. When a man values his wife's labor, his home is filled with love. A helping hand in the house builds a stronger heart in the marriage. A man who respects his wife's work will always be respected in return. A home where both partners serve is a home where both partners thrive. Marriage flourishes when chores are shared, not when burdens are doubled. A man who cooks for his wife feeds not just her stomach, but also her heart. The strongest men are those who lift more than just weights. They lift responsibilities too. The love in a marriage isn't just spoken, it's shown in the little acts of kindness. A man who lightens his wife's load never carries the weight of her disappointment. A husband who stands by his wife in the kitchen will never stand alone in life. A marriage built on teamwork has no room for selfishness. He who wipes the table never sleeps on the couch. True partnership in marriage is measured in deeds, not words. A man who serves his home with love receives a lifetime of warmth in return. A woman's love deepens when her man's hands are as gentle with housework as they are with her. A man that washes the dishes for his wife will never go hungry. The one who nurtures harmony in the home will never lack peace in the heart. A wise man knows that helping his wife is not a duty, but a privilege. A man who sees household chores as love, not labor, will never find his home cold. The happiest marriages are those where both partners see no job as beneath them. A shared meal tastes sweeter when both hands have prepared it. A husband who carries his share of the work carries his wife's heart with him. Small acts of service create big waves of love in a marriage. Love is not just spoken, but proven in the daily efforts to make life easier for each other. A relationship is strongest when both partners fight over who gets to help, not who should do the work. He who cleans today secures tomorrow's gratitude. A happy wife creates a happy life, but a helpful husband creates an unbreakable bond. A man who washes dishes may get wet, but his love will never run dry. The foundation of a strong home isn't just bricks, it's the balance of effort and love. The happiest homes are built on shared responsibilities and mutual care. A husband who lifts the broom lifts the spirit of his wife. A wise man knows that a little help today spares a mountain of complaints tomorrow. Where love exists, no task is too small or beneath anyone. A strong marriage is like a well-kept home, clean, warm, and built with love.